Welcome to Beyond Super. I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this old school, the Punch 150. This is the original version of this amplifier. It is the old school Rockford Fosgate. And as you can see here, it's got the original logo that's like a Dracula look on their logo. This is the instructions in the back where they put in what the color codes are for all the wiring. You also have gain inputs right here, left and right, and then an aluminum heat sink. Again, typical old school Rockford Fosgate. You've got bass and treble controls right here. Unfortunately, the little knobs here are missing on this, but I did find something that I can control this with when we do a quick demo. So this is not included in this item, but it is something I can use to demonstrate that these controls do work. And then you can see there that the LED light is on. So let's go ahead and do a quick demo on this thing. Oh, and let's just look at the wiring too on the sides. Here, the wiring for power is all on the left side. I've actually labeled these things between ground, 12 volt constant, which is battery, and then you've got your turn on lead here, and then your speaker outputs right here. Originally, these were orange, brown, black, and yellow. But since there was these things were extended, I've already also marked these wires, and then you've got your RCA cable coming out. So anyway, let's go ahead and do a quick demo on this thing. Let's turn it on.
Looking for a peace of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. World is going to see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake. Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Why should I be here? Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to.
All right, so let's go ahead and let you guys know about some of the specs on this thing. All right, specs wise, unit provides 75 watts per channel times 2 at 4 ohms, 90 watts times 2 at 2 ohms, 180 watts times 1 at 4 ohms. Frequency response is 20 kilohertz, and then the total harmonic distortion is 0.05%. This thing features the EQ circuitry that we kind of played around with 18 dB at the base at 45 hertz, and then at the treble side you can gain up to plus 12 dB at 20 kilohertz. And then obviously we were trying to take a look at this thing to do some gain controls here, so let's go ahead and do that. Hold on for a second. Let's skip to another song. Go.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names?
Okay.
Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start.
All right, so you can see we were able to turn up the gains or lower the gains at the same on both left and right. In addition to some of the features that we already talked about, again, an aluminum heatsink that's really efficient with this type of amplifier, especially back in the day. It utilizes MOSFET output technology for that clear, loud sound with minimal distortion. Anyway, that's it for this amp. It's a rare treat to have these kind of things pop up once in a while. These again are Rockford Fosgate's original Punch 150 amp. So all right, hope you guys like that video. Comment on this thing, please. Man, these are old school, awesome amplifiers made in the US. All right, see you guys on the next video.